Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about how to use emojis in Facebook ads. And this is something that surprised me over the last couple of years, as emojis have kind of taken the world by storm, right? Like everyone's using them on WhatsApp when they're texting, all that kind of stuff. So it's pretty cool that we can actually use emojis within our Facebook ads. And there's been a lot of case studies done, and we haven't actually tested this yet, but from what we've read online, between using emojis in your ad increases the click-through rate and therefore relevancy scores in your Facebook ads between 30 and 200%, okay? If you're not doing this already, give it a go. It's very easy to do. The thing is with emojis as well, that if you've got a product or service that appeals to the younger generation, then you might find that emojis work even better for you, because we all know the younger generations are using emojis a lot. Everyone's doing it, as I said. The other thing which is really interesting is that let's say for example you are posting in your own personal news feed and you're using emojis to say that you're happy or you're sad or you're frustrated or whatever the particular emoji is. Facebook, I'm pretty sure, on the emojis that you're using within your news feed and what you're posting to your friends and what you're sharing, and they'll be able to show you ads based on your mood, okay? So if you're happy, then they'll show you a happy product. If they're sad, they might show you a sad product. I don't know what a sad product is, but you get my point, all right? The other thing that really helps is, and it could lead to the increase in click-through rate, is that if you're writing long copy ads, excuse me, which a lot of people do, then it breaks up kind of long paragraphs. You can have emojis that you can use that will just make the paragraphs easier to read, and it'll make them a little bit more exciting rather than large blocks of text. So that works well, and we do that. The other thing that we do is we use you've heard of in direct response advertising, that if you're pointing to something, okay, like a call to action or a button, you see landing pages with arrows pointing to buttons to click and all that kind of stuff. You can actually use like fingers and arrows and things like that as emojis to point to your call to action. So yeah, I hope that this, it makes sense to me. I'm sure it makes sense to you guys. And if you're not doing it already, definitely start using some emojis in your ads and thank me later. So we are obviously doing a lot of this within our agency. We're a lead gen agency, working from low value, local retainer type businesses to national type companies and generating thousands of leads per week. And if you want to learn more about how we've done this, we've got a case study below this video. And if you click on that link, you'll be able to access this case study for free. Enjoy.